We are doing peanut butter challenge. I was about to say peanut butter jelly challenge because of that.
We just stop peanut butter jelly song ruins vlog.
There you go. We have Peter Pan peanut butter, which is a mouthful. Have you tried saying that? Peter Pan peanut butter.
Peanut Pan peanut butter.
It's really hard to do.
No hive for toast corn syrup.
Ah, snap.
Alright, ready?
This is the easiest.
Can we go now?
This is the cheapest.
Alright.
I just had lunch.
They crave peanut butter.
Oh, don't do that.
Alright,
Weird.
so first one to finish
I'm
the
gonna
peanut
send
butter
this to your
wins.
parents and then they can watch that.
First one to finish the peanut butter wins.
No, it's whoever can eat the most.
Whoever can
So I'm
eat
gonna
the most.
shit peanut butter.
And this isn't going on Facebook. I like peanut butter, so this isn't really an issue.
I can't stand it. You haven't noticed, I got no peanut butter with me.
Yeah, this one I don't like peanut butter.
Weird.
Okay. No, that's stereotypical. Not because you say you're a bad person, not like you are. I can't eat 4 spoonfuls at a time. You should look like she's 6 feet tall.
You had to reveal the secret. Yeah, we're not showing guys. This is small. Oh, Judge.
Oh, it's swallow now.
You're the smallest.
That's why I'm taking a little bit of time, not taking it.
What's one like you? Eight.
I put 1 spoonful. Oh.
I would do the jelly challenge. There is one.
You never have jelly.
I know. I don't like jelly.
I
I love jelly, DJ.
How can you
What
have
is
jelly
wrong
without
with
peanut
you?
butter?
I love it. I love jelly.
Like on toast?
Yeah, I eat jelly sandwiches all the time. Yeah.
Baileys.
Yep.
That did not surprise me. I eat bagels a lot.
Yeah. Butter and jelly on a bagel is possibly the best way to eat a bagel. Especially when it's a blueberry bagel.
I can't believe how long we've been doing this and we've barely gotten any. How long?
Bagel
Like 2
time
minutes
with Cold Blood.
Cold blood. Ah.
Oh,
What do you mean strong like 5?
I think I'm totally out of this. That looks so weird. Looks nasty.
What's there? Shit.
No,
Right,
somebody...
you don't throw off the curse word.
No, I know what it is. Peter Pan took a crap in this.
Exactly.
Nobody's magic, so we need magic powers. Shout.
You're gonna stay on the level.
Yeah.
Can I fly, Tinkerbell?
No.
I never knew
Peter
Tinkerbell.
Pan, not Tinkerbell.
I never knew
So his
Tinkerbell.
trusty steed is Tinkerbell.
Look,
No, I
Tinkerbell's
watched
on the thing.
I watched
Where?
that movie the other day. I
Oh,
didn't
no,
know
it's Peter Pan.
Tinkerbell
It
started
says
in that
TM.
movie.
You're high.
I didn't know Peter Pan, Tinkerbell started in Peter Pan. I just watched the movie the other day. No? Yeah.
For the first time?
Monkey and Lions, yeah.
Wait, that
How
one?
do you live?
I was never really into the kid stuff. I was playing late and video games by the time I was in 2nd grade. So.
I heard that was 2 books.
Oh, it's like. When I was playing 15.
I punched some kid in
But I
1st
just wanna-
grade.
What?
For what?
I would slap you with this peanut butter.
Kind of annoyed. We were playing tag, and he said he wasn't frozen, even though I clearly tagged him on the shoulder. So I kind of,
I clearly tagged this kid.
so I
knew.
I kind of punched him in the face.
You're frozen.
Wait, who? Remember that kid?
She
who
must
was
have seen that, like, some first
Ayana
graders.
or something?
You're frozen.
Isaiah
No.
in my 1st grade.
Oh, Isaiah.
That would-
Yeah. I punched
This
him.
video is just basically us eating peanut butter while chatting.
Yeah. Chatting time with
Peanut butter. So blood did. I don't know any of that.
Oh, yeah.
That's really bad.
They clearly don't know my channel, Ivy-tastic, which has some really good videos on it, okay?
Oh,
Just saying.
I'll put a link in right over your head.
Put a link in
Alright.
my head.
I'll put it like right there, and I'll put a link on your face, and if someone
Alright.
wants me to put a link on his, I'll put it on his face.
Mhm.
Sean has... You have an account, Sean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I wouldn't do anything with it.
Did not. So why are you gonna link...
I said if he wants me to link it, I will.
Oh, okay, never
Do it.
mind, alright. You can like mine.
Your video
I was
sucks.
recommend liking mine. Here's a piece of whatchamacallit, cinnamon toast crunch.
Oh my god, are you losing it? Is it rare?
Wait, can I have it? It would taste good in my peanut butter.
No, that's cheating. Oh, cheater! You gotta be effing me.
DJ now has fudge
Up the butt with a knife. What is this? Ugh!
I do not want that peanut butter covered fudge.
I'm gonna throw a bunch of peanut butter in your face. I'm gonna put peanut butter in your hair and spike it up.
I'm ready. Oh crap! Peanut butter.
Oh my god! You've gone to hell.
Oh my god. Oh, maybe peanut butter is made of or something.
Are you high on crack? That amazing. Friday jokes videos. Have you seen that? It's like the same thing we're doing. They start throwing peanut butter together apart.
I was at the SPCA yesterday.
Oh, this is a real vibe. This is a real person on this one saying, hello? Hello? I can't hear you.
I can't eat this.
Knock it off! Oh my god.
Eat it, Sean. Whenever I tell him off or calls me, I say, that's my hair long time.
Okay. That's something new.
Stop looking at my thing. That's your bird.
Stop licking my thing.
I didn't mean that thing, but she keeps licking my pants.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Don't all dogs do that? I don't know. Why are we talking about what dogs do? We're eating peanut butter.
Well, dogs do like peanut butter.
That is true.
Yeah, but there you go, I guess, and like stick peanut butter out and but see what it is.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Ew. Challenge accepted.
You're not gonna do it.
I'll put it on my face.
There's a full spoon. You have to get Jesse so we can see.
Peanut butter.
Alright, Jesse, come here. Jesse has to jump up on you because we can't see.
Why you lose the camera?
Because it took us 2 hours to get the camera where we wanted it.
Still doing it.
Oh, that's weird.
Dog's licking his face.
Yum.
It's thick and raw!
Look at her.
Oh, she's tonguing you.
Yo, where's the paper towels?
Oh, we don't have any? We're out.
Yes.
That's
I want to see this. Yes. Look at her.
We only need one person doing that, thank you. What happens when we do this? Now the camera's like,
I can't see it. The camera's obviously not on me.
I know. There's a need for that.
What did you let her
Not if you want. Where's one? Too busy looking herself.
I'm surrounded by idiots.
Shut up.
See, now you guys are cheating. She's eating it for you.
That's enough, dog. What are you doing? It needs to get back on my feet. Yeah.
Oh, no, stop. This is getting really bad. Hey!
Just looking for you.
Just get that stuff off my arm, please.
She doesn't want it.
Wow.
You put it on your iPod. You put it on your pants. Now the dog's gonna lick your pants down.
Where? I'll see it.
You rubbed it on your feet like this. Alright.
It's just turning out to be horrible. It's hilarious.
It's getting really bad now. Don't break my mini staple, you douche. Did you put that anywhere near me?
No!
If anyone put him.
I'll kill you all.
We're gonna let Tristan
What?
It's getting really bad.
We'll let Tristan go.
This?
It doesn't. It looks like a lot.
Oh, you made art.
Don't get peanut butter on my trash can.
I put it in the plate.
In the plate.
Why are you throwing away perfectly good peanut butter?
I don't know.
Eat it.
It's all on your elbows.
You got peanut butter on your pants. Oh, it's still there. Oh no.
Damn it. Look it. Dusty, look it.
Oh yeah.
Like my pants.
That is the weirdest sentence I've ever heard come out of anyone's mouth ever. it's not
Just want a lollipop and
I'm good.
Christmas.
crap.
No.
Got people on my elbow.
Good point. Whoa, whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah.
No, I'm done.
Mine. I get to
You
make
done?
this is one.
Yeah.
Focus on your back.
Done? I'm still going.
Ow.
That's it. You can't like feel like, oh, I'm gonna go again. That's
I'm gonna
it.
go again, okay.
I'm done. Are you on? All right. Let me see how much you weigh.
Alright.
Let me see.
We'll measure it up at the end.
Alien.
I bet whichever was the last one.
Well, you might have actually won. He did. There's someone.
Hell yeah.
Alright, on one.
Technically.
So I'm gonna show you up. So this is been called Talking with Peanut Butter with the Cold-Blooded Crew.
Thank you.
We'll be seeing you next
How are
time.
you getting the shot for that?
I'm getting in the shot. Alright, okay. This has been Chatting with Peanut Butter.
Chatting with peanut butter?
Yeah, chatting
Chatting while eating peanut butter.
Whatever. You know, I wasn't eating peanut butter, so I got different ones too. Why Jesse licked us and Sean threw peanut butter on us.
It's a lot of fun. You should try it.
So yeah, definitely. Make sure you don't have a friend who throws peanut butter at you.
Get off my chair, son.
Unexpected.
We'll see you next